Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's go and explore Leeds.
I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, we're heading out. We're outside. We're outside. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. So guys, as you can probably see, we are just strolling the streets, beautiful streets of Newcastle. So this is Central Station area and we are on our way to Sheffield. But first of all, we're going to pass through Leeds. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like and share this video. So pretty. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If you're not dead, then he comatose. No. For biomedical people. So if you're in the biomedical field, I've got a really big building just right behind me. Trust my neighbors as our day comes. What's that? God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Class is beautiful. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the beautiful sunset the Northeast has to offer. Yes, we're still in the city of Newcastle. We haven't highlighted at Leeds yet. Make sure to stay tuned and enjoy. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no, no. I want to make you. Oh, no. Leeds. Beautiful Leeds. We're in your city. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog as we explore the beautiful city of Leeds. As you guys can see, we are in the amazing, beautiful sculptural city of Leeds. So enjoy the view. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Girl, I wanna make you, baby, I like making you, oh baby, oh no, no. Everything. Yeah, BBC Yorkshire. Amazing city of Leeds. It's so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the beautiful building. Sailing overseas and just straight me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue
go to the club with your boys, baby. I ain't never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind.
As we are right in the city of Leeds. This is my bag, baby. We're in the city of Leeds, guys. My eyebrow looks weird. We're in the city of Leeds.
City of Leeds, guys.
Where did you see it? This is my city of Leeds. Let's go, baby. Mountain of Fire, our Mountain of Fire Leeds, guys. So, guys, welcome to the city of Leeds. We are in the city of Leeds. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. He blocks everywhere.
Who's going to buy a car?
Which can walk in car? He's not here. I think one of these days we'll come to this market. We'll take a day to come here. This is the city of Leeds. So there's black. I love black though. We're looking for where we can buy chips. Guys, this is... Careful, hold your phone very well, baby. Blacks. Yeah, sweet to me. Leeds.
Not about black. They like looking at yourself.
No, because it's not. They like it like it's so unique now. Like we left your country for it.
I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon.
This is like Okpika Market, Nigeria. It's so amazing. If it's food, may I want to. That's like this clothes now. I think it's clothes. Okay, I'm not seeing food here. I'm smelling food. Baby, here. Chicken, just something. So guys, got to this place. We're gonna get chicken and burger. And welcome to the market of Leeds, guys. Hey guys, we are in the beautiful city of Sheffield. This city is so vibrant, so beautiful. Just hang on to see the amazing, beautiful sunset. So guys, here we're just having a toilet break. Hold on because the next view is gonna wow you. One. You never thought you dey from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. A day.
I never take my cake away. I did. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane, my lane. You know, get the time, body hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady going like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no more yeah, what they want telling me. Putting out my fantasy. You want to check if my daddy. It is all sweat when it be more. I'm gonna make my heart be the rush. If I'm more in the rush, yeah. It is all sweat when.
So pretty.
Fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall. My heart.
It's so fine. Instead of sports, like it's just it's different. You know, Newcastle, their buildings are not painted, but here, no, wow, the lighting, the sunset, everything is just coordinated. Their buildings are very fine. I know Newcastle,
Fun killer, fun killer.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far of our road trip to Leeds, and we are currently in Sheffield. Make sure not to miss the next video where we're going to be showing you guys Sheffield. We went to an amazing party. You're going to see like a trailer at the end of this video. Until next time, bye. Guys, we are here at Fire Suit. Just click it in. We're here, guys.